I'm a business operations lead for a community empowerment organization. I'm Portuguese Angolan. Who else am I? I'm funny, I'm smart, I'm cheeky.
Okay.
I'm quite a strong woman, and most of the time I tend to dominate. I know that Castillo has a bit of a powerful sort of personality, so see if you challenge me. Challenge is good, it's interesting, it's spicy.
Okay.
Can you describe your perfect man?
First and foremost, it's in here. He needs to be emotionally mature, or at least willing to learn a little bit more about the inside of his head to deal with traumas, deal with the bad things that happen in life. Tall,
I know what's the next thing too.
ideally
These girls can have an advantage because
culturally
they
aware.
already know
My must-have is he has to be hardworking, because that's the beginning of
Castillo,
it. Work hard,
and Castillo
you'll
don't know
be
nothing about these
Love is
chicks.
more important than money, because you can get that from working hard. You can get that by luck, winning the lottery. You know, he's here today.
Winning the lottery?
Love is a bit more powerful and substantial.
I don't think so,
You
buddy.
with a broke man.
I can, as long, again, like I said, you work hard. Working hard doesn't mean you have to be rich. It just means that you're willing to put in, the effort. Impressive enough, I'll be here for love. If not, I'll take the money. I'm ready for that too. I like new bags and shoes. So we'll see.
Wait, so if they don't impress him, they cannot choose to take the money?
Yo,
Hello.
brother. Nice to meet you.
Nice.
You look
Oh,
nice.
okay.
That
Thank
handshake,
you.
you know.
Dude, what's
Yeah,
going
it's
on with
formality.
all these London chicks,
Hey,
bruh?
you look nice.
You
They
don't
be
have
looking
heavy chest, man.
thick.
Oh, my bad.
It's heavy.
Dude,
look
honest to God, I'm
Thank
not
you, Sophia.
expecting
I
these
like
chicks to
that.
be
Oh, thank you.
so
I like
thick,
that. I
bruh.
like
Honest to
material.
God, I don't know why,
Velvet.
but
Velvet in that.
Silky.
Jeez, that's nice. You got an accent. I got to ask you straight away. Where you from?
I'm Angolan.
I
Angolan
like that.
Portuguese. What about you?
Don't know.
oh,
Take it
Angolan?
down, so
Wait,
you-
Angolan is Africa, right?
Castillo, that sounds Spanish. Is that your real
Last name,
surname?
yeah, government things.
Okay, you might be you'll definitely be Caribbean, right?
Yep, you're halfway.
Um,
You're good. You're warm.
maybe like Guyana or something.
You're good, aren't you, bro? Not Guyana, but you're good. You're close.
Where are you from?
Dominican and Grenadian.
Oh, people always ask me from Dominican.
Not Dominican Republic, though.
Oh, Dominica.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's cool. You're
Oh, it's from Dominique.
For real?
Yeah.
Dude, I thought it was
Nice,
from
nice,
Dominican
nice,
Republic.
nice.
What the
That's a
hell?
mad thing. So look, you know
Oh.
what this is about, yeah?
You're gonna give me a ring.
A ring. So what, like an onion?
I think
thing?
Grenada is on
No,
South
I
American,
came for diamonds.
South
Hey,
America.
I
What
came
did
for
say?
diamonds.
Diamonds.
It's either love, money, or diamonds.
pretty
I like
sure.
diamonds.
Man, thing, we gotta go Sierra Leone for that.
No, it's Guyana. Sorry, Guyana is on
I like
South
that.
America.
See, now you already know what
Where's
this is
I'm
about.
gonna-
I'm
dude,
basically trying to find real love.
I'm gonna
So
have to look
basically,
up
I wanna
back
find out if
the
the gal over
countries
here for the
because
money
I'm
and clout,
I
or if they're here for real love. What
I
you
just know about the major Caribbean countries.
I'm looking for a challenge.
a challenge?
Yeah, I'm looking for somebody to entertain my mind.
You seem like you got like some bossy aura.
I'm a dangerous woman, they say.
Dangerous. what kind of danger are we talking about?
I know a lot.
You can get a lot of men sent away, kind of thing. Like
I can do a lot. I'm a bit of a magician.
man thing.
Oh,
Because
really?
Man, them disappear. One call. I know Angolan women, they can get you disappearing. Like they
I
can make
mean,
that
if
happen.
you know your powers as a woman, then
Okay.
So now this leads to my first question I got to ask you. Yeah.
no.
I do a madness. Yeah. Now the feds come through, they lock me up, send me to jail. They're saying that I'm facing 25. I'm facing 25 years. I can't even wrap my way out of it like some man out here.
What did you do?
Yeah, it's a mad thing. Somebody got rude. I had to mark off their whole family. I had to lick off his head and his whole family tree. The whole family tree is gone. They're ghosts now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's
So now
heavy.
they're telling me I've got to go away. Are you gonna hold it down?
Depends on how you treated me before.
We've only been going out for a year.
Did you buy me diamonds?
That's why I did the mad thing to get you the diamonds.
Did you treat me nice?
Of course.
Massage my back and my feet.
Of course.
Cook for me sometimes.
Ooh.
Got the baby oil out. You get me. Got the Radox in the bath.
I'll be there for you.
Don't near lie. Are you telling the truth?
I swear.
For the whole 25,
Yeah.
you're gonna have grey hairs by that
I
time.
think you underestimate my loyalty.
Mm.
I don't know about that.
Dangerous.
I don't know
But
about
we're
that.
honest, we're loyal, we're optimistic, we're good-humored, we're the sun in human form.
The Sagittarius, you guys are free.
Remember-
spirit, you like to
remember-
travel, you like to move
Yeah,
about.
don't you like to travel?
I love to
Anybody
travel.
can say anything
Yeah,
out
me, I
their
went to
mouth.
like Birmingham the other day.
Doing the thing is actually a
Okay.
totally different
But I used to
situation.
live in
Like
Coventry,
doing the
so I
action,
don't even know.
total
Don't know,
different
don't know,
situation.
That's a good thing.
So
What do you think
even
about
though
the
she's
Birmingham
saying
accent?
something very nice
Shout out
right
to
now,
Birmingham people.
doing
I
the
like
action,
accents. Obviously, I've got one. I
totally
have
different.
Jamaican.
See ya,
So
put
you're
on
like, oh,
this.
let's go to the city centre.
From Birmingham. Well, that stuff. Yeah, I've got a family that lives there, so.
Mad thing, mad thing. You see, I'm from West London though. You get me? It's the home of the mad thing, but we're
You
sweet as well.
Do not talk like a West London person.
You said you're loyal.
Yeah,
So what's your longest relationship?
5 years.
5 years? You
Oh,
were dating
5
me.
years.
I
Wow,
don't
that's
even know women
long.
From 5 years ago. I don't even know people I went
That's
to school with. for 5
freaking
years.
long, bro. I've
And it would
never
have
been in
been
a
longer
relationship
if
that long.
you
The
weren't
longest I've been in a
Clout.
relationship
What
was
did he do wrong?
2 year, 2.5 years, I think.
Was he doing
That's
a
the
bad-
longest.
You have to promise me love if you want to know the rest.
So did he cheat?
Well, not that I caught, but yeah,
You know,
probably.
you know he was moving
But
mad.
it's like
What country was he from?
Niger.
Ah, got you.
Was it Nigeria?
They're trouble. But the Caribbeans are not much better.
Yeah, man, I don't know, man, but we're calm,
I can
innit?
tell by your hair. Like the vanity tells me.
The
that
vanity?
you, like
Because I brushed my hair.
you might be trouble. What
You
do
know-
you like in a relationship? What was your longest?
Well,
time?
she's right
I'm not
about the
gonna lie to you, I
Caribbean
used to be on a
situation,
mad thing.
brother.
That's why I'm trying to change up my life.
No.
Yeah, I mean, I used to be on a very mad thing. I didn't know where I was going. I was lost. And then I found myself, so now I've got to move different.
Have you been in a relationship before?
Yeah, I've been in
How
long-term
long?
relationships. The thing is, back then I was seeing bear girls, so there was many longs. I can't even, like I said, some of them people I don't even remember.
I like your honesty.
I gotta be honest. That's what I'm saying. That's what this is about. Money and clout versus love. So I gotta be honest.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So let me ask you something. Yeah. Do you satisfy you sexually?
When you know your body, you can do anything. It's magic.
Dude,
So man was a
Castillo
DJ,
love
like,
talking
with
about
mix,
sex,
like,
bro.
you know,
Well, you didn't need to be a
You can't hear
DJ. I DJ by himself. It's
Damn,
fine.
you DJ your own
It's-
self. That's
yeah,
good.
it's like-
You know your body. What's your thing then? What do you like?
Do you know what? It's not about the action. I feel like it's about a connection.
connection,
It's the
huh?
language, the body language. If you pick up on it, if you got that magic, then it's good. If
It's
not,
true.
then
Because you know when you're really into someone, you get that animal love. You know what I'm talking about? That
yeah,
real, that-
yeah. You just
You want to lick their sweat.
you
know,
just sense
yeah.
it.
Gross.
You feel the
Yeah.
spirit, you feel the language.
Everything.
Gross,
Oh,
buddy.
You want to lick
Yeah.
their sweat. You want to grab them up. You just grab their foot. Like,
I don't know about the
do
sweat
that.
thing, but
You know
that's
what I
kind
mean?
of
You feel
gross.
like an animal.
If
I'm-
it
I
feels
become a-
right, if it feels right,
I'm
if that's
telling
what
you,
you're reading,
I
then
become a
fair.
different man. It's a mad thing.
Wait, how old are
Man,
you?
Castillo
Don't
sound
worry
like
about
a
that.
freak,
Why?
bro.
Don't you want to know how old I am?
I do, because I need to be
Okay.
known if you're some legal thing, because you might not be able to drink this. So how old are you?
How old do you think?
Well, it better be of age, because I'm about to done off this whole thing right now, bro.
What do you
know
think?
this.
You'll be surprised, I think. Most people get it really wrong.
25.
Oh, that's cute. No, I'm 29.
Big yeah.
Oh, really?
I'm a grown woman.
That's big boy. See, that's what I'm talking
Damn.
about.
What is
I'm
this?
I'm not gonna lie, she
No,
look kind of younger than
I
that.
don't
She
know,
look
it's
younger.
a mad thing,
Cool.
you get me?
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's not no bill.
Probably
Cosby
because her
thing, like,
face
it's
is
good.
so
It's set.
smooth.
I need
They
to
wouldn't-
know.
they
You
wouldn't
need to
trip you
know.
up.
It's
Her
not
face
spiked
actually
or
look
something.
young.
I
It
don't
don't
know.
look
Never.
wrinkled or
You've been on
anything,
mad
so that's
thing
kind of tricked
before,
me.
so
You look
anyway.
very
Never that.
smooth
Wait,
and
how old are you then?
Don't worry about that.
Why?
Pressure and pain on all digital platforms coming real soon. That's what we got to talk about.
wait.
So you're
Oh,
one of those ones. So you ask me my age, you don't tell me yours.
We're good.
What's
Pressure
your name
and
then?
pain.
Your full name?
Castillo. That's my government name, my last name.
Either your name or your age. I need something.
Well, my name Castillo.
Castillo what? And it's not Castillo, it's Castillo.
See, I'm glad you told me how to pronounce it, because
Do you know what it means?
castle.
Castle.
Don't know.
Quite good. It's
I
powerful.
learned that. It's powerful.
Yeah,
So you make me
castle.
feel good about myself. That's what I like. I like that. Yeah. So this is what I want to ask you. So you've come on the thing.
she's
money
smart, bro. I
clout.
can't tell that
You
she
look
have.
good, you know.
I am.
Well, she
right
seems that she working on a government
What's the wrong
toxic
situation.
But toxic love, it feels good though. It feels good. You like.
It feels good until
You know,
it
you want that brother
doesn't.
standing outside your house like, yo, look me in. You
If
want that.
no. I want him to be standing outside my door, and I open the door and I see, and I'm like, wow, baby, you got
It's
those
like, when did you
flowers
get
for
out?
me. These diamonds are for me. I'm really that beautiful to you.
I have to
Diamonds,
think
what's
that
the thing
she's
about for a living?
actually a
Diamonds.
grown woman. She's
I
20,
know,
what,
work
29?
hard. It's up to you what
So
you
she
do.
have
you
a
working
more
on Canelo
mature
Roof now?
thinking.
You
So I'm gonna
know?
have to keep
I
that
mean,
in
you know
mind
what,
that she's
toxic
actually
love
more
is
mature than the
like,
other
you know,
girls
feel
that
first,
came on the
like,
show.
you know, falling in love, you're the most amazing thing in the world until it goes wrong.
When it goes wrong, that's when it's a mad thing.
Yeah, that's why I want to know what's wrong with you now. What are your traumas?
There's a lot. You get me?
Yeah.
If I take these shades off, bruv, this whole room will get dark.
I want to see. I'm not scared.
So I got to get to know you first. That's why we're here.
Are you scared of my eyes?
Pressure and pain on all digital platforms, bruv. See, there's a
Okay,
lot of
but at
pain in
least
there. It's a
you're
lot of
working
pain.
hard. You're working hard promoting yourself. I
Of course,
like
of
that.
course.
But
So let me ask, so
cool.
what do you do? Like, you look like you got a big boy job. You look like you do serious things.
That's what I'm saying. She look
I'm
business.
operations lead.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Jeez, that's the real thing. Like,
You're the
you had to
hero.
apply for that. That's good.
You want to hear the next bit?
Go on.
For a community empowerment organization. So I work to empower and educate our community, the black, the youth,
Don't know.
and emerging creatives.
I like that because there's a lot of men out here moving mad, bruv. You got to get them man off the streets and killing people, bruv. It's mad.
Just help us all grow and get to success. Let everybody be like you.
Don't know.
You might do business if we don't fall in love.
Big man thing. See, I like that. See, if you're thinking ahead, you're thinking ahead.
Always.
Sounds like you want some money though. I don't feel like you want love though. I'm just.
I don't want money. Do you know what the funniest thing is? Everybody has always asked me.
But
what do
she's
you
probably
want?
got
Do you
money
want- do you
then.
want to be successful? No, I want the power of influence. That's the only way you can make a change. And power of influence means you don't actually need money because your word is enough to get what you want.
Damn, you see, that's that good talk that you do. I like that. You see, that's how you get the man them. That's how you get their business.
Yeah, she
So why should I
just listen to her. She sounds very smart,
separate
bro.
you from all the other gal? What do you bring to the table?
I think you can tell already. I think that a combination of who I am as a person is extremely unique. I have a strong history.
Dude,
from Angola, from my family.
Love that.
I hope
I'm
she
a
is.
beautiful mix. I'm extremely intelligent, if I may say so.
Ooh.
I work hard. I'm very loyal. I'm a ride or die type of girl. I'm smart, but I'm also street smart. I'm a
Dude,
solution provider
you
for
mentioned
places.
smart a lot.
And I know how to love.
So what's your thoughts on sex on a first date then?
I don't think it's a good thing.
Why not though?
Because when you engage in, sexual activities with somebody, you exchange energy, and you need to check people's energy first before you kind of open that portal up.
I gotta tell
So you never have
tell you
one
what,
night
'cause I've been
stand
with some
for?
crazy gal, bruv, and I'm like, why did I do that, bruv? Why did I stick my willy in there, bruv? Now my whole life's in disarray. Now you won't leave me alone. Comes to my house at mad times.
Literally.
I gotta get an injunction on you, bruv. It's
Do you
mad.
need that in your life? No.
call
Cut the
them
headache
people.
from the beginning by just holding on a little bit.
I don't know,
Test the
man.
energy, test the water,
Listen,
get
people
acid
look,
pressure.
can just say any
then-
random shit. Oh, I never do this, I never do
How
that.
long do you
But
give a guy before you're like, nah, your willy's
we
dead,
don't
bruv.
know
I
if you
can't
really
deal with that.
did
Do you know
that. Or you really
I
live your
feel
life.
like I
Let's
can
be
tell
real.
by, speaking to people what their personality is like, if it's going to be good or not.
So shout out to the small willy man out there, bruv. You lot are living a hard life, bruv. You get me? Go get a DBL, bruv. Go to Colombia, bruv. Get a DBL. Extend your shit, bruv. Big man.
Let me tell you what I think about you so far.
I need you to go on. I need you to tell me.
I think that you've got moves. I think you could be good, but I think you might be a bit overconfident. So you might have to
is
be
that a thing?
said like, hold on, babe, not there yet. No, slower. No, not that hole, this one. Oh, please, wait, that's too hard. Chill. With love, caution. Oh, slow, easy.
Avio, my CV's mad, yeah. So
Well, I
I've
can
got-
tell.
I've got a
That's
lot of-
not always a good sign, though. That you know that, right?
No, of course, but at the same time, like, you got to test out the waters. You got to let it marinate. Like, I can't just be running in there and just try to tear it up, bruv. That's a madness. I got to take time. You got to explore the gal them's body. Get me like the nipple touch, like the nipple just.
You'll be able to know. It's all like an.
This dude,
Of
bruh.
course. You
That
get me?
needs to
Some
stay.
men they don't do that. They get in the room, no foreplay. It's like, yo, come on, babes, let's do this thing. I can't do that.
Yeah, no, that's a bit much. You gotta take it easy. You gotta get to know the person first. You know.
And then let me ask you something. Like, I'm a freaky guy. You get me? I'm a freaky guy. Like, I like my gal to be freaky. Do you get me? Like, I like the sloppy head. I like the head when it's sloppy. I like that shit when it's like saliva and dribble. I like that mad thing. Yeah. What are you like?
Remember,
You
she
freaky, you like-
listen,
are
she
you
work
better
in
than
government.
the
She's not gonna say
What's
too
going on with
much,
that?
What
probably.
do you think?
But wait, but she
You want
done
me
the
to be
show,
honest
so
with
I'm
I
guessing
think you're on a mad thing.
doesn't really matter. Cause she done the show.
What makes you say that?
Nah, I could tell. I feel like you can change a man's life.
Yeah, that's why I say I
feel
know
like
exactly.
I feel like they run you down after.
You can tell already why you should be picking me over other people.
course,
I
I
don't
c-
need to say much,
I
right?
could tell. Like literally, a man will go mad over that naan bread. 100%. Went round second and thirds. I think so.
Fifth, sixth, seventh,
Fifth,
eighth.
sixth, seventh.
Really?
Give me a ring straight away. That's why I said I came for my ring.
So the naan bread's so good they want to give you a ring afterwards.
Wait. Whoa. Wait. If that's the case, why haven't you gotten a ring before? Or you turned on all the ring before? I don't know, bro. I'm just saying.
Love with me, but it's hard to handle me.
When you say hard to handle you, what does that mean?
I think I'm a challenging woman in the sense that I step on an ego's sensitivity a lot. So if you're a sensitive man with a sensitive ego, you really need to check yourself.
So you tell a man, like, yo, your willy's small, bruv. Don't be chatting shit, bruv. Lower the bass in your voice when you chat to me if that's small willy, bruv. Get out of it.
No. If you annoy me, I'll go a bit formal, and therefore I patronize you and kind of make you feel a little bit dumb. And I think that's not good. You know, guys tend to have sensitive
So you can
egos.
get in a man's head and then just mash him up.
Yeah.
That's some weak dude shit, bro.
I just took a test.
If you know about girl that much, you'd be like, just ignore her, bro. Like, okay. That's
That's why I
literally
said I'm a
pissed them
dangerous
off.
woman.
So you said you're dangerous. So what's the craziest thing you've ever done to an ex to get revenge?
I don't do revenge.
You don't do revenge?
No, you know, like the energy you put into the world is always reciprocated. So if you put bad energy, it's going to come back to you. So when they do something bad to me, I know life will get at them at some point.
See, that's where we're different. Like, I'm a bit of a petty person.
What did you do?
I'm a bit of a petty person. Now, literally try and find out what happened to your life. See if you fell off, if you became a nitty. I want to see that. I want to ride past and be like, yo, look at you, idiot.
Isn't that a headache though?
It is, so you got to let that go, but I'm learning.
Yeah,
I'm
I'll
learning.
teach you.
See, I like that. See, that's the whole point. You got to grow and build and learn.
Of course.
Have you been with any celebrities? You dated any rappers?
Yeah.
Ooh.
That was my ex-boyfriend. But he
Your
wasn't a
ex-boyfriend's a rapper?
celebrity. He was a rapper. He was a very talented person. I'll give him
When you
that.
say when you say he wasn't a celebrity, was what like?
He was popular.
He just got in the studio, just making things that nobody'll ever hear in their life. Like.
No, you'd hear them. He's good, but
What's his best song?
so he's got this song with what's his name, Young Saber, and some other guy. What's his name, Hachi or something. It's quite nice.
Big man thing, shout out to him, Pressure and Pain on all digital platforms. Promote his shit. Promote
Do
my
you know
thing.
what? Do you know what? But do you know I don't mind dating whoever I date. I actually through him I learned to do sound engineering.
Ooh, so he taught you something. That's important.
Taught me a lot. 5 years is a long time. Taught me
Oh,
a
he
lot
was the
about
guy that you
road,
dated for
taught me
5
a
years
lot.
away. So
Tell me
why
about
did
the
you
road. Why
date?
you teach you about the road? Why you teach you about the road?
Plenty.
So
I
what,
know how
you
to
was
speak
hiding,
your
you
lingo
was-
too.
You was hiding. Did you ever hide some things in the?
No, it wasn't that deep.
Why
It's
did they
just more about,
actually?
like, tactics and strategies to survive in the streets of London. I learned that a lot from him.
People's bank details and things like that. Next thing you're in the Maldives, that's why you're smiling.
Yo,
I just
this
told you, I
guy,
know a lot of
bruh.
things about a lot
This guy is
of things.
trying to
Would you
incriminate
ever date
her.
a man that's broke?
Yeah, I mean, like, the thing is, what do you mean by broke? Like, he has no money.
I'm talking about like I can't make the ends meet. The ends ain't meeting. The ends are like way over here and they don't want to meet.
Well, if I love him, the first thing I'll do is say, babes, why are the ends not meeting? What's wrong? How are you feeling? That's always the
No,
same.
but
He says I'm
before you
focusing on my
meet him,
music
what's
career
gonna
and
go
things
on
that ain't
before
popping.
that?
What's your plan to get to the popping part?
He says I need to holler at Stormzy and do a tune with him.
Do you have the money to do so?
Nah, babes.
How are
He
we
says,
gonna
babes,
do
I
it?
need some of your money. Can you give it to me so I can get to that?
Can we find another alternative before we get to Stormzy? Because it's quite big. You need to have steps in between.
She's not gonna give her money,
So you gotta
bruh.
do a track with Wavy Stabman, some random nobody knows him.
It's okay, because then you can promote it. There's ways to promote it. I
See,
know
she
people
didn't
that
answer the
can,
question
you know.
about giving him the money
I
to
told
do
you I'm
the collab with
resourceful.
Stormzy.
resourceful.
So being broke doesn't
not gonna
always
give
mean
him
that's a bad
her
thing.
money.
It depends on the situation. I'm understanding.
But
So when you say resort, are you know
She wouldn't mind getting your
They
money.
do talk, you know, the streets, they just send me messages. The streets just talk. The streets, is your name clean out here in these streets?
Yeah, I feel like a lot of people would have probably seen my face. They don't know my name, but they will know from now.
Like, that's power right there. You got power like that. You got control. You know what you're doing. You know what I'm trying to
I
say? That's a
told you.
beautiful thing.
I don't want money, I want power.
That's a beautiful thing. So let me ask
she's
you,
very mature though. I
what's the
can
freakiest thing you've ever done?
tell by the job that
This
she
is the
says
first
she
date.
does.
What kind of question is that?
See, that's good. See, you didn't fall for the trap. I like a lot of risky things. Like, I want to go do things in public. You get me? I want to do all these different
Sounds
kinds.
exciting.
So you like that excitement?
Yeah, I like exciting. I like to think outside the box, experiment.
Experimenting is good. Nothing too mad though.
No, but you got to be open-minded. That's the only
What's
way you
your
learn.
definition of open-minded though?
It's like, if it's somewhat
Dude,
makes
she haven't
sense,
drink
why not
any
try
of
it?
that.
Don't knock it
Look
till
at
you
that.
try it,
She
you know
haven't
what I
drink
mean?
any of
What
the
if he's like, yo
drink.
babes, I want you to peg me.
Oh no, I think that's a bit extra.
They have a
It's
mad
a-
thing in it.
That's a bit extra. That kind of reveals other parts of you that I probably won't like. Because why do you need that to be done? But there's other alternatives to that.
Some man like from freaky things. So if you really love the guy and he said, yo babes, I got you this gimp suit with a strap on thing, like you gotta go ham on me.
No. I mean, maybe for
That's
OnlyFans.
kind of weird though. I'm not gonna lie. That's.
Would you do OnlyFans?
I think so.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So go ahead.
Really?
Literally, because when the money starts dropping, people won't be judging and saying, "Oh, she's on OnlyFans." They'll be enjoying with you at the table, popping champagne.
See, I've always
Really?
wanted to do OnlyFans. I like OnlyFans because I feel like I got a lot
You
to show.
haven't done it. I thought you'd have done it by
No.
now. You seem like you're not as freaky as you say.
No, I'm trying to be the president. You get me? I'm trying to be like Boris.
Yeah, right.
Johnson,
With the
like,
big
you
ass
get me?
tattoo on
So
your
what are you doing
face.
for that? Since obviously I work in community empowerment. I
So
can
we
help
can
you.
empower together.
Yeah.
Well, I can't work for the feds though. Like I'm.
No. Same. I'm African. We can't do that.
Mad thing.
We like to work outside the rules sometimes.
Work outside the rules. See, I like your speed. That's dope.
Dude,
That's
should
dope.
she be talking like this on this show?
What do you like most about me? Like, what's your impressions? Like, what's my best feature?
You got good skin. That means you probably drink plenty of water.
I drink a lot of water.
Good
You get me? A
genes,
lot of
good
men.
melanin, good hair, strong, thick.
Thank you. See, a lot of men they don't drink water. That's why their face is looking like a Snickers bar.
No.
All razor bumps.
They
and shit
think
on
it's
their neck.
moist to take care of themselves. It's not. It's health.
Nah, big man thing. Shout out to Nivea, bruv. Cream your skin.
How old are you then? I need to know because I'm
Oh my
you don't
God,
have,
she's-
like,
Pressure and Pain on all digital platforms.
nah,
Coming real
Waffle
soon, bruv.
Sky.
Wait, I don't know
That's
how
social
old he
famous
is for
rapper
real. I
comes out,
don't.
yeah.
I
Super
think
famous,
he.
got money. He's got the eye outside. Yeah, he got the jewels shining, glistening. That
Jewels.
got the tracksuit and that looking all good.
Yeah.
And let's say for me, I'm bummy. Like literally, my boxers was a mad thing. I just turned that shit inside out. My life is mad. Yeah.
Cool.
Like literally, right now we're so.
Yo,
broke,
you know
we're
what I'm just
cooking right now,
realizing?
yeah? So then let's
If
say
all of these
chilling,
episodes
about to
actually
catch the bus,
take
have a little
place
whiskey
in
and
one
that,
day,
man comes up, pulls up with the nice.
I think
eye.
because they look like
Yo,
you're in the
babe,
same
looking
food. I just
crisp.
realized it.
Are you staying with me? Or are you going with him?
At the risk of sounding really
This
weird,
episode probably
I
filmed the
feel
same
like
day.
only women that are not used to attention will react in a way where they have to chase him. Too used to people saying, "Hey, you're beautiful." It's nothing.
I like
There
that.
has
I
to
like
be a
that.
mental connection. The looks, everything's too shallow. I
She's
know
right though,
I
because
like that.
So you need to
when
connect with my mind.
countless
I like
guys
that.
telling you
So what
that,
do you feel
oh,
about
you're
girls that
beautiful,
go to the
beautiful.
bar
That's
and
what I do.
like that,
I
they get
rarely
flown out.
telling the
Have you ever been
girl
flown
that they
out?
look beautiful though.
I
Honestly,
travel
I
on my
rarely
own.
say that shit.
You got your own money.
I'm gonna be honest. Like,
I mean,
girl
you
in
sit alone,
person,
you do
like
what
if
you
me
want.
see them in
It's your
person, I
power
really
as a
telling
woman
that
to
they look
enjoy,
good. If
why
they're
not?
on show
But
like
for
this, I
me,
say she
I
look
don't
good.
know, my mom taught me
But,
different. She's very independent.
because they're gonna hear it
you know,
anyway, so-
strong with 5 women in the house, so.
I love that. I love that. So let's say when I went to your parents' yard, what would their first impressions be of me?
Oh, okay. So first of
The
all,
teeth?
the gold teeth. My mom would be like, "D, come on, what are you doing? Are you sure?"
I knew it,
the
bruh.
tattoo sounds like looks dangerous, but I think they would appreciate the fact that you're Caribbean. I think the Spanish name would kind of give a bit of edge because Portuguese and Angolans we're very kind of connected with like Caribbean and Latin culture.
So
and
give
stuff,
me some
so-
favor, or win me some favor with my last name.
Yeah. If you don't say bruv, that'd be
If
nice.
I don't say Brav, it's mad.
Even if you like soften up a little bit, it should be okay.
Oh, so
Yeah,
she
I
want
like
him to
your way of
change
thinking.
himself.
Yeah?
Okay.
So you're not a materialistic person. You're not all of that. Like you don't. But then you want the diamonds.
She don't want him to say him
That's it.
catchfriend.
I'm not
Bruv, dude,
materialistic in
that's
general.
based on
I
the
like
Castillo
diamonds, I'm Angolan, it's in my
phrase. Bruv.
blood. My dad used to deal with diamonds a lot when we were younger, so I got fascination.
So that's
with
what
it.
you're used to.
That's what I'm used to.
So then if a guy can't buy you diamonds, it just can't work.
It can work. I don't know. I feel like I'm going to be successful, so I don't really need to rely on my man to, bring too much cash. As long as he brings the hard work.
So you're a generous person. So do you give the man anything? Like what about me? Like what you gonna
I'm
get me?
stupid generous. I
Stupid
wish
generous.
I wasn't. I'm a sucker for love.
Tell me more about that. Very good.
Literally, what is mine is yours. What is yours is
Yo,
yours.
these
You
guys are
blind.
telling me more about
Yeah,
that.
well, not yet. It depends. I mean, you have to impress me, isn't it?
So then I'm like, oh babes, like I'm low on cash. Like give me look £50 like.
It's so easy. I don't know why people don't do that more often.
See, I like
Dude,
that. See, you're an
I
honest
like
person.
how
that.
she's giving
When is
him
your
eye
birthday?
contact, even
July,
though,
I'm a Cancer.
Oh, you guys are meant to be successful. Most successful.
dude,
person.
she's trying to figure out his birth,
Yeah, I like that. You see,
his
teaching me things
age.
about me.
She's smart,
Come
man.
on.
I
She's
didn't even know that.
she's asking
That's
him
what I'm
certain
saying.
If
questions,
you wanna-
probably
wanna
jar
date
him
with a guy
out.
and you didn't pay on the first date, would that bother you?
If you invited me, you pay for sure. Like, I mean,
Of course.
invitation.
That's standard.
But if we both decide to go together, I would offer to split. I think it's polite.
Man, I'm gonna
Let
have
me
to
ask
check
you
up
this,
on
what's the
most
type
of these
guy?
African.
Like,
I
I'm
know,
not
I know
I'm saying in
a lot
general.
of countries where they're
6 foot
located
tall
because a lot of
minimum.
time I check out on the map
6 foot minimum.
where
Okay,
countries
cool.
are
Well,
located,
that
but
means I can go to Lithuania and get a
certain
Lithuanian
African
blood
countries,
lift.
I don't know where
Six
exactly
seconds.
they are located. So I'm gonna have to check
This is
Angola.
the thing, right? I've
I know
spoken
it's
to my
African
friends about
country,
it, and like my
but
dad, strong
I'm
black
gonna have to
man,
check
and,
some
he's the first
on
person that I fell in love with as a
where
man, like that idea. So I'm looking
Dominica
for a
is. I
big,
think it's on
strong
South America. I think.
African man. However, I'm also very realistic. I know that African men are trouble. They have a lot of trauma they haven't dealt with. That's ideally, like I would like to have
Oh,
a
really?
strong black man that is emotionally mature.
Dude, Caribbean men have a lot of
willing
troubles
to
too.
work on his traumas and grow
I'm
from
like, I'm gonna be honest,
That's
man.
like three men, bro. That's
Caribbean men
mad.
have a lot of trouble too.
I know,
bro.
I
A lot of
got-
trauma
down.
too.
That's like
Listen,
3 men out here, but I don't know
I'm
3
gonna
niggas
be
like that my
single
whole life.
forever then in that case, right?
Mad thing. Now, but see, I'm not gonna lie, but it sounded like
It's
you
too
want,
much for you, isn't
sounded
it?
like you want the dollars, the pesos. It sounds like you want the monies, man.
I want everything.
You want everything.
I'm close to everything as a woman, I believe. Look, right? I like to look good. I like nice things. I like designer. I like to travel. I like all the amazing stuff in the world, right?
Ooh,
I
really?
do. But that doesn't stop me from loving somebody the right way, as I did. I
like that.
Well,
give
most
everything.
person
I'm so honest and truthful.
like to have a
No
good
matter
life.
what
So
you do
I'm
to
guessing
me,
what
I
she's
will
saying is not really
cheat.
like
I will
wrong.
not talk to someone else. I'll just be like, why, babe, why? And
So
try.
you've never cheated ever in your life?
No.
Swear to God.
I swear, 29 years. And no matter what you did to me, I don't. I'd rather break up first and then.
So a man's never cheated on you. You thought, you know what? I need to get that to your best friend, you know. He got to have that for like 2 minutes. Let me just let him borrow that. Just pass the ball.
I swear I've been cheated on, but I've never caught it, so I don't really care.
So you've never been in a relationship, looked at your man and just thought like, rah, like you look kind of dusty, bruv. Like you look a bit crusty today.
I got
And
good
it's just-
taste. I don't get myself into those situations without, you know, being
Dude,
pleased
see,
visually.
because
So you were
nowadays
looked
society is so
for
fucked up,
when
you can't even
I
really
don't know
Which is
trust.
more important?
Why
Looks
do
or
you
Ladies-
keep talking about money?
ladies
You
actually
seem to be the
telling-
sort of person that likes money.
telling the
All men were
truth.
traumatized.
I've been down before and I know what it's like having no money, so I know you need it. You know what I mean? I know what it's like to have to make that £10 last for a month.
Yeah.
Now you got to eat Jacob's crackers, bruv. You know what I
As a
mean?
woman that doesn't rely on men, I have to do a lot for
what I'm
myself.
saying.
So I know what it feels like to stretch. I've studied.
I like how he
I've been a
mentioned
student,
why
I
he
know
talked
what it
about
feels
money
like
so
to
much
stretch.
because he was
I'm
down
the
there like
daughter of
literally
a
in the
single
gutter.
mother immigrant. I know what it feels like to stretch.
So you got to drink that tap Avion. You got to drink that tap Volvic. It's
No,
not-
never tap.
Never tap. But when you ain't got it, the tap becomes that's champagne.
No,
now.
no. You prioritize. You say things. You know, as a woman, this is the thing. A good woman will always have a reserve for the priorities, which will be food and a roof. My mom taught me that.
So you ever been broke before?
Oh yeah, of course.
How broke? What kind of broke are we talking about?
I've not been able to buy clothes for over a year. You know, where you're hustling, you're grinding.
So what kind of clothes though? Like were you talking about designer clothes?
No, like just clothes, where you actually have to go absolutely zero to be able to make it to the other side. It's sacrifices that you make, and it's no big deal. It's like going for a run.
I like that. You see, I like that. That means you've been through the trenches. I like a woman that's been through the trenches.
Why
that
do you think I
understands.
talk like this?
So you've been through the trenches. I
I've
like that. You've
been
seen some
through it.
hardships.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I'm not gonna
I've
not
had a
believe
great
her
date
because
with
I
you.
don't know her,
Real
but
talk, I've had an amazing date
she's
with
saying some good
Great.
stuff. But
Yeah,
I don't
how's it
know
been
her,
for
so
you?
I'm just gonna
Yeah, it's been
take
good.
that
It's
faith
been
value.
interesting. I thought you were gonna be more challenging though.
you. If I was gonna be, I'm an easygoing guy. I'm not horrible.
Yeah, you are
I'm
a
a
little
nice
bit
guy.
more easy. You look more rough on TV, actually, like in terms of how you present yourself.
No, the main
So
event is a nice
You
guy.
got
I'm
some
nice everywhere.
suaviness to you. You're kind of smooth. I like
See,
that.
I like that. I like that, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say we're taking a leap of faith right now, yeah?
Cool.
And I put down 1,000. Yeah,
Cool.
1,000 GBP, bruv. Pounds, bruv, with a queen's face on it.
The
Yeah, real
things.
things, yeah?
Mm.
Would you choose the money or would you choose pursuing love? Would you pursue love or choose the danas?
Well, from what you can tell from how we've spoken, do you really think I'll be choosing the money if I have a good chance at love? It's not that much.
I like that. You can make that. Yeah, so let's just cheers to a beautiful day.
Beautiful. Chin chin.
Dude, she not even drinking anything, bro. What the hell?
Keep your hands above the weight.
Don't worry. There you go. Have a good
Nice
time.
to
Keep your
meet
hands
you.
above the waist.
Have a safe
This
journey.
dude.
Thank you.
Keep your hands above the wave. Look at him. Yo, that's actually funny though.
Big man singing. But it was mad, cuz, on the face, though.